Imagine this. Every single person on Earth decides to jump at the exact same time. Picture it. A synchronized leap involving every man, woman and child on the planet. All 8 billion of us united in this bizarre, synchronized act. A moment of global unity, where borders and differences dissolve and we all come together for a single shared purpose. What would happen? Would the planet shudder? Would the oceans roil? Would we disrupt Earth's orbit and send ourselves hurtling into space? These questions ignite our imagination and make us ponder the incredible impact of collective human action. It's a question that sparks curiosity and invites us to consider the awesome power of collective action. The idea of billions of people acting in unison is both fascinating and humbling. The truth is, the effects of such a global jump would be far less dramatic than one might imagine. Despite the sheer number of people involved, the impact on our planet would be surprisingly minimal. While 8 billion humans represent a significant mass, it's minuscule compared to the sheer scale of our planet. Earth is massive. Our combined weight is but a drop in the ocean when compared to the enormity of the Earth. To put it in perspective, the total weight of humanity is like a tiny ant compared to the weight of the Empire State Building. Even if we all jumped at once, the Earth would barely notice. This thought experiment reminds us of our place in the universe and the incredible scale of the world we inhabit. So if the planet isn't going to crack in half, what kind of impact would our synchronized jump have? Let's delve into the science behind it. Scientists believe that it would register as a tiny, almost imperceptible tremor. This tremor would be so minor that it would barely be noticeable. We're talking about a seismic event so small that only the most sensitive instruments could detect it. These instruments are designed to pick up even the slightest movements in the Earth's crust. Think of it like dropping a pebble into a vast ocean. The pebble creates ripples, but these ripples are tiny compared to the vastness of the ocean. Sure, it creates a ripple, but that ripple dissipates quickly and has little impact on the overall body of water. The energy from the pebble is quickly absorbed by the surrounding water. Similarly, the energy from our global jump would be distributed across the Earth's vast surface, resulting in a negligible effect. The Earth's surface is so large that the energy from our jump would be spread out and absorbed, making it almost unnoticeable. While the idea of a synchronized global jump is fascinating, its actual impact on the planet would be minimal. However, the symbolic gesture of unity and togetherness could have a profound effect on our global community. Now let's delve a little deeper into the fascinating physics at play when we all jump together. When we jump, we exert a force on the ground with our legs pushing downwards. This force, according to Newton's third law of motion, is met with an equal and opposite force that propels us upwards into the air. If everyone jumps simultaneously, we collectively exert a massive force on the Earth, creating a synchronized impact. This force, however, doesn't translate into a significant displacement of the Earth itself. Why? Because the Earth is constantly in motion, rotating on its axis and orbiting the Sun at incredible speeds. Our jump, while impressive in its coordination and the force we generate, is a mere blip compared to the immense forces governing our planet's movements. The energy we use to jump is quickly absorbed back into the Earth when we land, dissipating almost instantly. The Earth's gravitational pull ensures that we are always brought back down, no matter how high we jump. So, while our synchronized jump is a fun and unifying experience, it serves as a reminder of the incredible forces at work in our universe. Rest assured, our global jump wouldn't cause earthquakes, tsunamis, or any other catastrophic events. These events are caused by shifts in tectonic plates, underwater volcanic eruptions, or other powerful geological phenomena. Our synchronized jump, while a fun thought experiment, wouldn't even come close to replicating these forces. The Earth is remarkably resilient, capable of withstanding far greater forces than our collective jump. Think about it. Asteroids have collided with our planet, volcanoes have erupted with unimaginable force, and yet here we are. A synchronized human jump? That's child's play for our planet.